Lindsay Meeklam-Dean here from Glaze Handmade here in Stonington. This Saturday, September 17th, I'll be doing a pop-up shop as part of Art Walk, which is the 4th annual Art Walk held in Stonington Borough, up and down Water Street. There's tons of artists, there's food vendors this year, they're closing down a section of the street. It's gonna be so much fun. And I've decided to launch a really fun project I'm calling the Glaze Vase project. And this project was largely inspired by the Glass Float project, which happens on Block Island every year. And Eben Horton, a wonderful glass artist, was inspired to do a little art appreciation with his glass floats. And so I've decided to jump on the back of that and do that with some tiny bud vases in a variety of colors. There's 40 of these vases I'm gonna be hiding up and down Water Street in other public areas in and around Stonington Borough proper. And I'm encouraging you guys to come out and bring your families and have a little family fun, enjoy Art Walk, visit all my artist friends, eat some wonderful food, walk around the stunning borough that we're all lucky to have here, and look for some vases. They're in all different colors and glaze styles, and each little vase is stamped with a number on the bottom. The numbers obviously correspond to the number of vases that are hidden, but I hope that you will, if you do find one of these, and we're hoping that people will just stick to one per person, so as many people as 40 people can find different vases. If you find more than one, please hide it away again so someone else can find it. And we're hoping you'll jump on my website at theveganpotter.com or glazehandmade.com. You'll find a page for the Tiny Vase Project, the Glaze Vase Project, and that you'll register the vase that you found so we can know where you found it, how your experience was, and hopefully encourage you to have a little fun with your family or with your friends. So come on out for Art Walk Saturday, September 17th, 2022, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Find some tiny vases, eat some great food, visit my artist friends, support art, and have a wonderful day.